place that you are seeing 3, that you wrote 3 here now. It is 2 into 8 is 4. 2 into 8 is what? 4. It is not 3 that you wrote here. Don't make that mistake. Are you following? So what you just do now, this place now, you replace this 3 that you wrote here with what? 4. So 2 into 8 here should be what? 4. Then in this case that you are seeing here, 2 into 12. 2 into 12 is what? 2 into 12 is what? 6. Exactly. So you are not supposed to write 3 here. You're supposed to be what? 6. Because 2 times 6 is what? 2 times 6 is what? 12. 12. So correct yourself now. You will not write 6 here. And when you are finding LCM, in this place that you are seeing 4 now, this place that you are seeing 4 now, you can still divide again. Divide this 4. Still divide this 6. Are you following? So 2 into 4, what will it give you? 2 times 2 is what? 2 times 2 is what? 4. So that means in this place that you're having 4, you can replace it. You can say 2 into 4 is what? 2. 2 into 4 is 2. Then in this case that you're having 6, you can replace it. 2 into 6 is what? 3. Is it not 3? Yes. So 3. Then remember that this is LCM, so it has to go down to the lowest. So in this place, you now come here and say, okay, if this is the case, you have 2 into 2 is what? 2 into 2 is what? 1. Then 2 into 3 is what? Can 2 go into 3? No, because there will be a remainder. So you write 3 back. And 3 will go 1 and what? 1. So your LCM here is supposed to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And that will give you 2 times 2 is what? 4. Is it not 4? 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is what? 8. Then 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 3 will give you 24. So take note of this. So the LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Don't write 16 again. It is what? 24. So try this part again. In this place now that you wrote 6, are you seeing this place that you wrote 6 now? This place that you wrote 2 into 12, 6. 2 into 14 is supposed to be 7, not 3. You understand? Because 7 times 2 is what? 14. So correct yourself again. Let's see if you can get it right. Try it again. Now, for you now, you say you are done. So what you just do now is we'll go to this question. Last question, what? Question 5. In question 5 now, what we have here is 8DE and 6DE. We do not check. Let's write it as this 8DE now. See 8DE here. 8DE and we have 6DE. And this 8DE we have here, you have to understand that the number that can go in between 8 and 6 is what? What's the first number? We have to start with 2 first. So if we start with 2, 2 does not work, we'll go to what? 3. Then if 3 does not work, we'll go to 4, then 5, then 6, like that. So we start with 2. 2 can go, right? Yes. You see, if you know the 2 can go, you say yes. And 2 can go, right? Yes. So in this place, we say 2 into 8. 2 into 8 is what? 4. You write 4. 2 into 6, 3. But in this case now, we have something common. You can see something common here. You can see D and you can see what? E. Well, let's take it step by step. No, it's HCF. So we say D, we go. So let's write DE first. Now, is DE. So D into 4DE. You remove D from 4DE, what will remain? 4E. You remove D here from 4DE, what's remaining? 4E. 4E. Remove D from 3DE, what's remaining? 3E. 3E. Or E is still common. See E not common? Yes. So you put E. Put E. So E will come out. And this E you have here is very important. So we now write E. E is common, right? You remove E from 4E. What's remaining? 4. Remove E from 3E. What's remaining? 3. 3. You remove E from 3E. What's remaining here? 3. But if you check here, 4 and 3, is anything common between the two of them? No. So because nothing is common between the two of them, we now take the HCF from here.
I got it.
So your HCF is 2 times D times what? E, which is what? 2D. Yeah, that's good. It's good that you got it. Not bad. Yeah. So another part now, we also have more. We have more. In this place now that you have 2x squared and 8x. 2x squared and 8x. Let's try that one together. See whether we can get the answer. Have you written this one?
Yes, sir.
You have written it?
Yes.
So nobody got it again apart from you.
No, I got it.
You got it?
Yes.
People got it?
Yes.
You got it?
Yes.
Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, so let's try more. Let's see what we can get here. And we have another one now. Let's try another one. See. Okay, so in this part now we have 6. You write 2x squared, and in this case we have 8x. So you said we should start with what? We start dividing with what? 2. After 2 we go to 3. So 2 into 2, 1. You write x what? Square. Then 2 into 8 is what? 4. You write what? X. You write x. Good. Now the next one is what can go next? X. X can go, right? Yes. You write x. X into x squared. You know that x squared is divided into 2. X times what? X. So you break down this x squared here into x times x. So if you remove one x from x squared, what's remaining? This is x times x now. You now remove this x. What's remaining? X. What's remaining? X. So x is remaining here. Remove x from 4x. What's remaining? 4. Is it not 4?
Yes.
Yes. So your HCF will stop here because is anything common between x and 4? No. So your HCF is 2 times x. Okay, I'll check later. I'll check in the next few minutes. So it gave you 2 what? X. You got it?
Yes.
You got it? No. You got
Yes.
it? You got it, okay. So let's try ABC and ABD. Now for ABC and ABD, you write ABC and ABD now. Now you write ABC, ABD. Now for ABC, you write A can go. A into ABC will give you B, C. A into ABD will give you B, D. B can go, right?
Yes.
B into BC will give you what? C. B into BD, D. So what's remaining? C and D, right? But can anything go? No. So you now replace it and say your HCF is equal to A times B. What's A times B? AB.
I got it.
You got it?
Yes.
You got it? You got it?
Yes.
You got it? That's good. So we'll try question 8. 8 here we have another one now, 8. We'll try it now. Let's try it together. Under 8 we have another aspect here. We have AXY and BXY. We have AXY and BXY. Now under AXY and BXY, we check what's common between AXY and BXY.
Everything.
Everything, no. X is common. Y is what? Common. So you start with X, right?
Yes.
X into AXY, we have AY. We have what? AY. Then we have X into BXY is what? BY. What's common next? Y. Y into AY. A. Y into BY. B. We'll stop here. So our HCF will give us X times what? X times Y. What's X times Y? X, Y. So our HCF will give us what? X, Y. Okay. Alright, so in that case now what we have here is HCF is what? X, Y. I follow it?
Yes, sir.
So that's the first part now. We now understand HCF and what?
LCM.
That's the first part. Now we will now go into another aspect which is known as factorization.
Sure.
I said it is known as what?
Factorization.
Okay, so we'll start with some questions now. So it's now factorization. Now that factorization, we see that that factorization, I would say that we can break factorization into different parts, and we will explain right away. Now we have a question like this: 9 factorization. Now that's where we are now. Factorization. Another factorization. We see that we have factorize for the first one you have A. First part you have A, which is 9x plus 3y. B, we have 5a minus 15b. C, we have ax plus ay. T, we have 8am minus 8bm. E, we have 3abx plus 5abx. And F, we have another part which is 5a squared plus 2ax. Now, under this part, I'm going to say that we can, whenever we are factorizing, we use brackets. I say whenever we are factorizing, we use what? Brackets. So factorizing, when you are factorizing, you must use what? Brackets. So ensure you use brackets. Ensure you use what? Brackets. So if you don't use brackets now, no problem. In this case, like you're saying 9x plus 3y. How will you go about it? You will need to expand the bracket. You need to expand using what? Bracket. Or you open up using bracket. So the first thing you check now is what is common. You ask yourself what is what? Common. First question you ask. What is common? Are you following?
Yes.
What is common? So what is common between 3, 5, and 9x? What can go into the two of them? 3. That's why we did HCF. Why we did HCF is to expand, know what can go between two of them, then we'll stop. Are you following?
Yes.
So in this case, we check. What's common is what? 3. We bring 3 out. We bring 3 out of 9x. 3 bracket. You write 3. Then what's here? What's here? X. What's here? X. We write X. Plus. Now if you remove 3 from 3y, what's remaining? Y. If you remove 3 from 3y, what's remaining? Y. So you write Y. That is how to factorize. You bring it out. You bring out what is common. Then you now express it using what? Brackets. So you must use a bracket. You must use a what? Bracket to express the values. You don't use a bracket, you know. So you must use a bracket. Now, another question we have 5a minus 15b. I already saw a and b, and try C to F. I got it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you have 5a and 15 what? B. What's common between the two of them? 5. You bring 5 out. Now when you bring 5 out of 5a, what's remaining? A. Now you write your negative sign. You see the minus here? Yes. You remove 5. Break 15 divided by 5 is what?
5.
15 divided by 5 is what? 3. Because 5 times 3 is what? 15. So you bring 3. You bring 5 out. Then what you now have inside the bracket will be what? 3. Then what's here? What's the sign here? What's the letter here? B. So our answer will be 5 into A minus 3B. 5 into A minus 3B. So take note of this. So let's take note of this. Then you try C, D, E, and what? F. Now let's solve it on the board together. So that in case there is any issue now, you able to understand it better. So let's check it together. Turn your chair to the board. Turn your chair to the board. This part here now. I think this 2 now. This is 8. This is 2. Are you seeing it? I see the board. Just look at the board. 2 into 8. You just check this is 8. Divide it by 2. Divide it by 2. What will it give you? 4. If you divide 8 by 2, what will it give you? 4. Because 4 times 2 is what? 8. So if you divide 8 by 2, it gives you 4. So in this case, we replace this place with what? 4. Then in this case, we have 2 into 12. What's 2 into 12? You divide 12 by 2. No. Let's do it together. 2 times 1 is what? Say 2 times. Continue saying it. Continue. 2 times 5. 2 times 6 is 12. So that means 12 divided by 2 is what? 6. So that means if you say 2 into 12, it will give you what? 6. I follow. 2 into 12 will give you 6. So if 2 into 12 will give you 6, you can still divide 4 and 6 by what? 2. By what? 2. So 2 into 4 is what? 2. Then 2 into 6 is what? 3. 2 into 6 is what? 3. Then the next one, 2 can still go because 2 is here. 2 into 2 is what? 1. Then 2 into 3 is what? Cannot go. Right? 3. But 3 can go. 3 into 1 is 1. And 3 into 1 is what? 3 into 3 is what? 1. So what's the LCM? It's all of them.
Yes, sir.
I'm coming. It's very fast. So LCM is going to give you 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. That what we wrote. That it, but you have to understand it very well. Are you following? So just check it out. Check it whether you understand it. Check it if you don't understand anything now, so that I can explain. Now, okay. You understand?